new generation of anti-snoring pillow helps you deal with snoring problems when you sleep. Hooti Sleep Aid Anti-Snoring Pillow adopts the latest technology and integrates life safety, health and respiratory prevention. It is the first anti-snoring pillow with a collection accuracy of 90%. Exclusive bone Bluetooth transmission technology, up to 40 centimeters thick, equipped with powerful computing power. When our anti-snoring breather detects snoring, the built-in oxygen uses simulation and air pressure to adjust the position of your head, moving your head to a suitable position to expand the airway and allow airflow to pass smoothly through the airway. Hooti pillow not only prevents snoring, but also monitors your breathing in real time. It has an app with data visualization capabilities that visualizes user-related sleep data, including anti-snoring sleep measures, sleep duration, intensity, and sleep quality reports. Bluetooth connection effectively ensures the security of personal information. Hooti pillow also features a 60-minute massage function to relax the neck and head. It can change the strength of the neck and achieve a relaxing effect before going to bed. It is all-in-one machine with an internationally leading appearance and structural technology. It is also easy to carry when you are on a business trip, protecting your healthy and deep sleep every day.